Zdravo svima, danas ćemo igrati S16 revanš.
Da udaram se.
Da, on pokušava meni da se kao revanšira.
Sećate se šta je bilo prošli put, pustio sam ga?
Da, pustio me. Definitivno.
Da.
Idemo.
Ajde.
Idemo.
Isto ćemo timovi da budemo kao Real, Bayern.
Zna kontrole, to je naučio u prošlom klipu, lepo sve, dobro.
To što?
Naučio kontrole, gdje sam šta. Ovo ovdje nećemo ništa, ha?
Ništa.
Idemo. Sad ću da idem kao.
A warm welcome to you all from Buenos Aires to a venue which hardly requires an introduction. It is, of course, the world-famous Bombonera. And our live game is Bayern Munich against Real Madrid. My name's Peter Drury, and here's my co-commentator for the game, it's Jim Beglin.
Thanks, Peter. It's a pleasure and a privilege for me to be here.
Vidal. Aim forward, a real chance to break. Hoists it high. The defence can get it clear. That will sail harmlessly past.
Okay, they've got nothing to show for it, but that was a really incisive counter-attack, and it's hard to defend against that type of breakaway.
Modric. Cristiano Ronaldo. James Rodriguez is the route one option, and it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Modric gets it back. Vidal demonstrating fabulous determination. He just will not be beaten. Where to from here? Lofted into the middle. So a third of the match or thereabouts gone, and we still await the first goal. Deftly done. It's Alonso! Well, he would surely have scored there more times than not. Toni Kroos pumps it forwards. He's off on a marauding run. That's the through ball. And he's shown him a clean pair of heels. Muller! Their attempt, just the wrong outcome.
Well, he couldn't have hit that any better. Any other time it would have sneaked in.
James Rodriguez, who's going to make this theirs? Cristiano Ronaldo. Rafinha, and it's Vidal. Muller.
Well, for me, he had a very decent crack at it, but it has to be said that the odds on those from distance were never really that good, and you'd always favour the keeper in that instance.
Muller with a delicate ball. Well, he would surely have scored there more times than not. James Rodriguez. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. Milan. Lewandowski. Looks like a good ball through. Goal! Bayern Munich! And Bayern Munich take the lead!
I just think he showed a lovely appreciation of where that defensive line formed, and he held his run until just the right moment, and he broke the offside trap, and he took full advantage. That's top marks for me.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, that lifts some of the pressure, but they need to maintain their work rate. It's been very good up to now.
Rafinha. Bayern Munich are in control here on the brink of half-time. And it's Cristiano Ronaldo. And now they can launch a counter. It's come loose. It's a long forward pass. Lewandowski looks to dink one in. Well positioned to make that interception. Müller.
Oh, listen, I think you can understand at times that the pace of the game pressures players in.
That'll be the last act of the first half.
Well, they showed glimpses of some wonderful football to go in with the lead at half-time, and that's definitely pleased the fans. I think they'll be looking to keep this intensity up now in the second half.
Bayern Munich going to have the lead in a tight old game. Half-time, 1-0.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Modric. It's Müller. And now the finish! Well, he would surely have scored there more times than not. Modric. Cristiano Ronaldo. Marcelo. Cristiano Ronaldo got into a good position, but he may need to hold things up. Bayern Munich just about have their noses in front. It is the slenderest of leads. Lahm, Alonso, Müller, aimed in towards the centre. Vidal, and Vidal! Oh, nearly, but nearly is nothing.
Well, if he hopes to do better than that, he's got to work on his technique and his timing. The contact wasn't right there, so there wasn't much chance of success.
Well played, he saw that coming, thrust towards the front line. They've scored near to half-time to give them a 1-0 lead. And it's Benzema. Oh, flags up, he must have been offside. Lahm. Alonso. Lewandowski. Tries a through ball. Müller! Oh, terrific run to latch onto it, but the finish is all wrong.
Yeah, and that was all about the through ball. Great control, and the weight was perfect.
Oh, you could tell he really wanted that.
I think what we're looking at here is just a very special talent. Someone who can decide the outcome of a match on his own.
James Rodriguez is long and forward. Bayern Munich can count themselves very lucky there. They look fragile. Pepe. Modric plays it out to the wing. Marcelo has gone out. Lahm. Xabi Alonso. Another piece of really good defending. It's Lewandowski. Lewandowski passes it through. Müller. It is far too far and out of play. 1-0 as we head towards the end. Lewandowski. That's Müller. It's Müller! Oh, and they really should have been made to pay. Bayern Munich just have to run down the clock. James Rodriguez.
maybe they're settling for what they have because they're not going to score from there.
And it's Benzema. I think that's offside. Yes, it is. Jerome Boateng. Out to the left it goes. Alaba. Bayern Munich desperately needs someone to hold up the ball here. Good hand from the keeper. Missed by a fraction. Douglas Costa! Decent enough try.
But when he struck that, he must have thought it was going in. Such are the margins of success and failure in this game. That was so close.
Oh, that's great stuff. Exactly what he's all about.
Well, he's certainly a player I'd be more than happy to watch. Tactically, he's almost impossible to stop.
Referee looks at his watch and blows his whistle. What a game. End to end, it flew by, and in the end, it all came down to just the odd goal.
Well, once they got that goal, I just thought they were very dogged in seeing the game through. And that clean sheet, you know, key to the win.
Well, that's it from us. Thanks very much, Jim. It's a very good day to you from both of us.
Comunque, controllo su di Vedo che sono un po'. Ciao.